Well, Charles, it's sunny anyway. It's kind of cold day, and I'm here in Fort Lauderdale looking at the 60 Viking 1999 Marlintini. And overall, she's a pretty boat. Engines were recently rebuilt. I have, I think, about 300 hours on her. I have this netting on the front end here on the bow, in case you have kids that want to sneak out, or dogs, or animals, or pets, or drunk friends. I was telling you about the crackling. I don't know if you can see it or not, but little bits of it. It's just cosmetic. That's why I started up here. I wanted to show you. So it's a part of these Vikings due to the gel coat company, from my understanding, wanting to get a whiter white. But it can be painted from wing door to wing door all around. Get rid of 99% of that. This one has the hard windows up top and the hard windows on the aft deck. All the windows open. The nice cockpit back here. Swim platform with the swim door. One of the things I noticed on my boat, that handrail there is on this side. I like it more on that side. It's easier to get on and off from one over here. Has a freezer in the back. Boat's nice. And he already found his replacement. So timing is the key. Go on board here. The aft deck is fully carpeted with a runner. There's a nice L-shaped sofa here. On the port side, starboard side, he has a table and a couple chairs. He has curtains that roll up. Keep this fully darkened. He has the, see if I can do this. He has the flat screen TV, and he hinged it. There we go. And because there used to be a tube TV here, there's storage, which is a smart idea. And then this hooks up to this, so you can keep it up. It's air conditioned. The refrigerator back here. Lighting system. Since we're here, we'll go up top here. The carpeting continues up here. It's all snap-in. Upholstery looks good. Like I said, this is glass all the way around. Slide open. We have a seat here. The electronics is a combination of older and younger. Mostly older. He has a full cover. I'm gonna snap this whole thing. All the gauges, all the toggle switches, you can read everything. It's all in good condition. Just older, everything works. Bow thruster. Beige colored captain seats. All the fabric's in good condition. Arm covers are a little loose on a couple of them, but they're just the covers. And some bean bags. go inside, he has the entire floor covered with a runner. That's washable. The TV here, as opposed to mine where it's up there. Beige L-shaped sofa. Storage in there. Runner on the stairs. All three of them. And galley has a newer refrigerator. He changed out the dishwasher for an ice maker. And the 2-burner stovetop here. Electrical. Here it's storage, which is deep. I want to think that the original TV was in here and they changed it. Maybe not. Maybe this was always storage. I don't know that part. You have additional storage here. You have storage underneath this seat, storage underneath the sofa. Go back to the master. Let me turn these lights on while I'm here. Poke my head in the engine room. Master is a king-size bed, plenty of storage, same cabinetry. We have his and her closets, the walk-in on this side. Then the other closet over here, little vanity. Head's the same. A mirrored ceiling. Small TV in the master. Small TVs inside all over the place. Window coverings. Like I said, I'll poke my head into the engine room. And the engines have been rebuilt. A lot of money put into down here. We have, I think, 300 hours on the 1050 Mans. Got Onan generators up forward. All new air conditioners, supposedly. So money's been put into this boat. And like I said, he's already found his replacement. He's motivated. That's your electrical panel. Volt DC on top, 24 volt, and then from this line down we're on the AC. Newer TV here and additional storage. Go forward to the VIP. Again, all the carpet is covered. VIP, we have an island berth queen. Good storage cabinets. Closet. An en-suite head with a shower. We have the bunk berth with its own head. I guess I should have turned the lights on in there. And the Jack and Jill door, and that's your day head. And across from that, washer and dryer. I think the washer's out. I think he said he's getting that redone. There you go. The boat's in nice shape. Well worth it. Big old fat hand in the way. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'll be in touch.